Go for it and assert your style. Begin your revolution by creating an industrial style with LOFT Original. Easy to apply, this effect can be used on walls, a graphic mineral concrete effect paint created by superimposing two colors. Ready for your creative revolution? This is what you'll need. Primer before coating to help the paint adhere. 2 LOFT Original paint colors. LOFT protector, but that's optional. A roller, the ID spatula. Are you ready? Let's paint. First, apply a coat of primer with the roller. Take a break and leave it to dry for 4 hours. Then mix the paint well and apply a thin, even coat of the darkest color with a spatula or a trowel. It takes about 4 hours to dry. Apply the second coat by alternating the two colors. Apply irregular, random, vertical stripes so that the two colors blend into each other. Don't wait for it to dry. Smooth from top to bottom with the spatula. If you don't like the end result, or if one patch seems too light or too dark, dab on one of the colors until you've achieved the desired effect. LOFT Protector is essential for surfaces that need maximum protection. If you're using only one LOFT Original color, the resulting effect will be more sober and less graphic. Be proud! This unique style is yours! Join the creative revolution. Visit us at id-paris.com to share your decorating experiences and find all our videos and useful advice.